Hey guys, welcome. This is my very first video for the channel of my EV diary. It's probably not going to stay with this name, and it's probably going to be something along the lines of JM Tesla or JM something of EV. However, it's the beginning of my journey of trying to save up and afford to buy my first EV car and also make the switch from a current diesel car over to an EV, which currently is looking like the Tesla Model 3 long range. So hopefully over the next year, I will hopefully be switching over to a new EV and potentially a Tesla Model 3, and hopefully just making some really fun videos, giving you some insight into what my experience is like getting one, and also just what a daily journey or a long distance drive, bringing tips, sort of tricks, and also just how the EV world is. I really want to make this channel as just something for people to watch and also just sort of calm their nerves down on any sort of EV worries that you guys have. For me, this is going to be very new and I'm not used to making these kinds of videos. However, I want this space to be where I learn and as also you guys can learn with me and ask questions, and I'll try and answer them, and also just have a more pleasant experience about switching over to an EV without all the concerns and worries. So, if you're thinking about going EV or you're just interested in EV cars and how they work, maybe drop a subscribe and a like, and maybe even drop a comment if you currently drive an EV and what you like and don't like about them. Let me know down in the comments, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. And this is my first ever video, so this is going to be awkward.